Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to SONY Xperia 10 free. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones. Then click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. Here you need to select Open and then I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on SONY. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now just send on XIAOMI device and receive on SONY one. Then click on all of those type of dots. This way you will select all of those files. Then when you click send, you can transfer all of them. It will take a lot of time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Just send and click got it. Over here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and after that choose receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, you can do that by clicking on the scanning icon on SONY, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing your camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!